Are you tired of spending countless hours playing video games without any real reward? Look no further. In this exciting video, I will reveal a game-changing app that allows you to turn your passion for gaming into cold, hard cash. Say goodbye to wasting time and hello to earning real money while doing what you love. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Join the ranks of successful gamers who are already cashing in on their skills. Before we jump in, don't forget to check out the description box for a treasure trove of amazing, tested, and effective techniques that will help you generate income from the comfort of your own home. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. We are always sharing new amazing and effective methods to make money online, and you can do this from anywhere around the globe. And will be great if you comment down below from which country you are watching this video, so we can create specific videos for your region. Now let's get started. Turn your gaming skills into real cash. Toy Town app, a revolutionary free app that allows you to make real money while doing what you love, playing video games. Imagine getting paid for every level you complete, every tournament you win, and every achievement you unlock. With Toy Town app, you can finally monetize your gaming skills and transform your passion into a lucrative source of income. Experience the timeless excitement of Toy Town, the ultimate match puzzle game. Not only will you be entertained for hours on end, but you'll also have the opportunity to earn valuable tickets that grant you access to a thrilling weekly prize draws. The more you immerse yourself in this game, the more entries you'll accumulate, significantly increasing your chances of claiming those incredible prizes. You can conveniently have all your tickets automatically entered into the upcoming prize draw. These draws take place multiple times a week, giving you more chances to win exciting prizes. Stay updated on the prize and keep an eye on the countdown at the top of your screen. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Download Toy Town free app now and start earning real money by playing video games. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it and found it helpful, give it thumbs up, comment, and share. Your support matters. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this.